girl Bella.
Hello babes, welcome back. It's your girl Shannon B for BrownGirlBella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and then tap that notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload. For those returning, welcome back. So today I thought I would do something fun. There have been 4 foundations that I have been fawning over this summer, and I wanted to bring you those 4 foundations. They're each very unique and very different in some subtle ways. I will tell you about them. Plus, if you'd like to shop with Shannon, again, everything that I mentioned will be in the description box below, as well as the details on this face. So, without further amble, let's get into my favorite foundations. The first one is the one that I actually have on my face currently. This is by Surratt. It is the Dew Drop Foundation in shade number 14. I love this foundation for a lightweight coverage. Perfect for if you are running errands and need to run out the door with your mask on, of course. Very, very little transfer, if any at all. You can build it up a little, but for the most part, it's going to give you a sheer lightweight coverage. So I love this. It's beautiful, gives me a nice dewy finish, which I love. Surratt. The next foundation that I'm going to mention is for medium coverage. This is in the shade Amber. It is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation, oil-free with SPF 30 sunscreen, broad spectrum. Okay, that's a mouthful. As you know, these foundations and these luxury brands love to give you a whole spiel about their foundation. But the long and the short of it is, this product really does work. Again, this is in the shade 440 Amber. I love this foundation. Gives you a light to medium coverage. 2 pumps will give you a totally medium coverage. 1 pump will give you that lightweight base that you're looking for, if you're looking for that. So I love this. I also love the fact that it does have some sun protection in the foundation, although I do not, and you should not, rely on just this product for your sunscreen. You should also always wear a sunscreen. Yes, I'm talking to my melanated sisters as well. Use sunscreen. Thank me later. Anyway, this foundation is great. It's very reasonably priced. Again, all of the pricing will be in the description box as well below. But this is a great foundation for those of you who want a little sunscreen in your product. The next foundation is for those who need to run errands all day long and don't have time to touch up. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Foundation. It stays on all day and all night. 12.5 is the foundation that I use here. It looks light in the bottle, but it really does go on very nicely. Gives you a nice, smooth, even coverage. I love the fact that you can build this up to even be a full coverage foundation, even though I would range it to be medium full coverage. It does have a little bit of scent to it, so if you are sensitive to smells, please note that. Otherwise, once it goes on, you don't smell the fragrance at all, and it is a very, very nicely even coverage foundation. So Charlotte Tilbury. And the last one is for my fellow matte girls. I did not think that I would love a matte foundation, and then I found the Tom Ford Traceless Matte Foundation. I think it's 9.5 Warm Almond is the shade. Again, this is a great foundation for those who love a matte finish. I like a little bit of dew in my foundation, but since I discovered this, I'm slowly converting to matte foundations. And this is one that I would definitely reach for this summer. It again gives you a nice even coverage. I love Tom Ford's foundations because no matter what you use in his brands of foundation, you're always the same color. I love that, and I wish other brands would get on that same level, but I am 9.5 warm almond in this foundation. I also have the stick foundation, and I also did get the other new one that he released a couple of months ago, which retails for about $150. Yes, I think that's the most expensive foundation that I've ever purchased, but it's good and it works. So again, Tom Ford for the win. This foundation is fantastic. So again, those are the 4 foundations that I have been fawning over. You may be wondering, what is all of this going on behind me? Well, it has been a celebration. Yes, I have officially hit over 2K subscribers. Thank you, Bella Brigade, for getting me there. Also, thank you to each and every one of you who have watched my videos and watched them to the end. I have now been officially monetized. So I am a monetized channel now, so you can join my tribe officially as a Bella Brigade member. I have 3 tiers for you to choose from. I have the baby Bellas at 99 cents. I have the seasoned Bellas at $4.99, and then I have those grand dames and big dogs for $9.99. More information about these memberships will be forthcoming, and I am going to do a dedicated video to all of my new members. Thank you all for joining. I am so excited about all of the things that I'm going to be bringing you in the upcoming weeks. So hang in there. It's going to be a lot of fun. Also, on my wall now, I have these beautiful stars that I got from a brand, if you can see. I got them from a brand that wanted to sponsor me, so I thank that brand so much. All the details about the brand and where I got them from. These are LED indoor outdoor lights. They come in this box, and I gotta say, they were quite easy to put up, a little hard to detangle, so take your time, detangle them, but once you have them on, they are beautiful, and they also twinkle as well. You can use them indoor or outdoor. Of course, I'm using them as indoor lights, but you can use them for your outdoor deck as well. So if you'd like to purchase them, they will be in the Shop with Shannon link below. Until next time, you've been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.